Let's see the question number 140. A carbon register of 47 plus minus 4.7 is to be marked with rings of different colors for its identification. The color code sequence will be, let's see, the color code of carbon registers are: for black it is 0, brown, black, for brown it is 1, then for red it is 2, then for orange it is 3, then yellow, green, blue, blue, violet, then gray and white. This is 4, 5, green, 6, blue, 7, violet, 8, gray, and 9, white. And the tolerance of gold is plus minus 5%, and for silver is plus minus 10%, for no color is plus minus 20%. So if we will solve for this 47 plus minus 4.7, this will be equal to 47 into 10 to the power 3 plus minus 10%. Then therefore the sequence will become yellow, violet, orange, and then silver. Let's see, is it there in the options or not? Yellow, yeah, yellow, violet, this is also yellow, but this will be not there because this is not the green. This is also wrong, and this is also wrong, and yellow, violet, orange, and silver. Yeah, the answer should be second. Let's see in the second slide.